Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. April 22nd of 2014 was a historical day for SEWA, and it was a historical day for myself. His Highness has issued an Amiri decree to restructure SEWA to be an organization fully owned by the government to a corporate. And in that we have run through a very in-depth studies and research and came up with the 15 guiding principles to guide SEWA to navigate and to be one of the most authentic organization in the world. And for that we have set a couple of strategies. The first one starts with a smile, because if you have smiling faces for the employees, for the vendors, suppliers and the contractors, you can make a big difference. Smile is the most peaceful language used on earth. And the principle number 15 talks about the importance of having a winning family around here. And to enable us to be that authentic organization, we need to strike the balance between the social and the commercial obligation of the company here. So we did knock the door of the highly recognized global brands and signing an agreement with them. Just to name a few, I've signed with Cisco, Oracle, IBM, Microsoft, HP, Kodak, Dell, GE, Rolls-Royce, Schneider, ABB, and the list goes on and on. And then we start to have the second strategy, which is the most important, is to have the continuous optimization of our existing assets. The idea is that we are benchmarking with the best practices globally, because the machines are almost the same wherever you travel in the globe, especially the highly branded machines. And the difference is how you manage them from the operation and the maintenance part, if you would, in a way. The third strategy was focusing on the employees, and for that we have created SEWA A. A stands for an academy, so we have a full-fledged academy here to improve the capacity building, the technical and non-technical courses and workshops needed to improve their capacities. The fourth strategy, if you would, was about the capacity building, as I mentioned earlier, but also about the conservation. We have set a target of to reduce the consumption by 30%, and this 30% has come up after we did a lot of global research on the best practices from the high advanced economy, how far they can reach, what is the best, and we have seen some economies were able even to reach 50%, if you would, in a way. So we decided to set 30% because we have more than 160 different nationalities are living in Sharjah. So the behavior of consumption is really varied from nationality almost to another. So we have considered this. And for that, to achieve the target, we have created a full-fledged conservation department to spread the awareness program among the community from different levels, including the schools, boys and girls, universities, and the society at large. I think that should be enough.
Yeah.